welcome to your midday report. Minister of Sport in Trinidad and Tobago, Shamfa Kodja, paid a recent visit to Jamaica, where she met with the principal of GC Foster College, Maurice Wilson, and toured the institution. The written part of the partnership is not yet completed, but the action plan is underway, with phase 1 being completed.
We've come home to the champions in track and field in the Caribbean for assistance, for support, for guidance. And it's not only talk, it's also in action.
The first phase was done with PE teachers in the country. We had a group of 10 practitioners within Trinidad for a month, and they were able to work with a number of practitioners from different areas. And based on our information, it was extremely beneficial to those who were involved.
Captain of the West Indies ODI team, Shai Hope, says a win is on the cards as they face Australia in 3 one-day internationals starting at 10:30 Thursday night Jamaica time. Hope is confident the Caribbean men will attain victory against the Aussies.
We're here to win, man. That's the main priority for us. I think that we've got the right fellas in the arsenal to do the job. Got a bit more experience, I would say, than the test team. So just to make sure that we tick our boxes and play our cards right, and then the rest will take care of itself.
Hope believes that playing franchise cricket will adequately prepare the team for the matches down under.
Leaning on some of the other pros around the world, obviously understanding different conditions, the way they play cricket, the way they go about preparing, the way they go about actually executing their skills. So I think it's something that we can all pick up from one another. So whichever league we've been playing in, I think the guys can take some of that knowledge and bring it into our dressing room.
And finally, Nicole Stevenson and Shamar Gordon were on the score sheet, but Jamaica were unable to register their first victory at the FIH Men's Hockey Fives World Cup in Oman. The Jamaicans suffered their 6th defeat at what is their debut campaign as they lost 4-2 to Fiji on a Tuesday night. This follows the team's 8-1 defeat by the United States. The national team had lost all 3 of their Pool B games, including a 13-0 defeat to India in the last group match, and then a 15-2 loss to Pakistan in the playoff for placement. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.